If you're like most Italian Americans, you're probably celebrating the Feast of Seven Fishes this Christmas. And that means that one of your fish has got to be salmon. So today we're gonna be making a pecan crusted salmon that is gonna be the star of all those fish that are served at your holiday table. And this dish is so simple, it's all about the compound butter that is mixed with chopped pecans. So let's go ahead and start with the butter that's gonna be room temperature, and that's really important. Okay, let's chop up some pecans, or pecans, however you like. And like I said, the butter has to be room temperature so it's nice and soft. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this butter with the pecans, and we're gonna sweeten this up with some maple syrup. You want a little hint of sweetness because that's what the holidays call for, right? Dijon mustard, add a little soy sauce to this, salt, a little pepper, and now just go ahead and use a spoon to kind of mix that together. You wanna make sure that all the pecans are evenly distributed in the butter. And now the star of the show is MOWI Salmon side. And what I love about this side is that the ends are already trimmed for you. It's a gorgeous, beautiful farm-raised salmon. Look at this gorgeous orange color, all the marbling in there. That is good fat. Now for this next step, I'm gonna be wearing gloves because I'm gonna be adhering that butter onto the side of the salmon. It's really important that you press in nicely so that every morsel of salmon has some of that pecan maple flavor and that butter, of course. And just press until it sticks all throughout. Our oven is preheated and this guy goes straight in there. Wow, this salmon looks fantastic. I'm gonna serve it with some brown rice. This slightly sweetened, nutty topping is perfect for MOWI Atlantic salmon. Honestly, why serve 7 fishes when you could just serve one great one?